Good evening. This is Jared Ledbetter with Finder Solutions and the Dev Guides podcast. Today we're going to be talking about a Shopify plugin called PayPal Marketing Solutions. All right, so we're in our Shopify store. All right, so on the left hand side, you're going to see the navigation link for apps. Click on apps, and it's going to take you to where all of your plugins are located. Okay, and if you're watching the video, you can see here that we don't have any installed on this development store here. So in the top right hand corner, you'll see a button that says visit Shopify App Store. You're going to click on that and it's going to open up the basically the plugin store. And this is going to include all free and paid plugins. Okay, so in the search bar, you're going to type in PayPal and hit enter. And you'll see right here on the main screen PayPal Marketing Solutions as one of your apps, and you'll also see that it's free. So all you're going to do is you're going to click on it, and it's going to open up that plugin page, and then click right next to the title. You'll see the button Add App. All right, and if you feel like you need to review this a little more in depth, then all you have to do is scroll down, and you'll see a button that says here Show Full Description. So we'll click on that, and it'll show you everything that all the details of this specific app. Okay, and then you'll see the example store, and right here the media gallery. I'll click on the first picture, and this at the bottom, this little bottom bar box here, PayPal credit. That's what we're doing. Okay, and the reason why this is an important feature to add to your store is because anytime a customer is approved PayPal credit, you will get a kickback from it. Okay, and that's why it's a marketing solution. So scroll back to the top and you'll see the add app button. We're going to click that, and now we're going to install the app right here at the bottom right hand corner. So now if we were to navigate to our apps page, this would be here. Okay, and if we click on, just so you can see it live, I'll navigate back to the home page and then navigate back to the apps page, and you can see it there, PayPal Marketing Solutions. So we're going to click on that. We're going to open it up so we can work with it. And so you see here in the middle, there's a button that says activate. And what this is going to do is it's going to bring up the PayPal login um, screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and then I'm going to log in. All right, so I've logged into the first page, and so now this is giving us a couple of additional features. Shopper Insights is by default on, and Smart Incentives are by default off, right? So incentives such as PayPal credit and fast checkout. So yes, we want to turn those on as well, and then click Return to Shopify. So now, when we click on our home page and then back to our apps, we can navigate to this PayPal marketing app, and you can see here that the only thing that you need to do, or that you don't need to do anything, because it says manage settings, not activate. And so how this works is, just like I showed you guys before, we're going to click on the view website button here, and it's going to pull up our website, and you'll see here at the bottom this little PayPal credit. Okay, and so that is basically a credit check for people to go through the motions of requesting credit through PayPal. And again, if they do get approved for that, you get a kickback. And that's what's beautiful about this. It's free to do, free to set up, free to maintain, and there's actually nothing for you to do. You know, if it's free money. If somebody wants to apply for credit and get approved, you get a kickback. It's freaking amazing. It's not a high converting type of add-on to your site, but in terms of revenue, right? every little bit helps. And so, if by adding this functionality to your website increases your revenue at all, then it might be worth looking into, because it's not something that you have to maintain and manage. You just log in once and it's turned on and it's activated. So it's kind of a win-win. You never have to think about it. And if anybody does go through the process and get approved, you're getting some money back. So that's all I have for this here on Shopify PayPal Marketing Solutions plugin. Until next time, have a good day.